Shortcut to accept suggested formula in Excel. I'm working with a lot of formulas in Excel 2007 and I would like to know what shortcut key you need to press to accept the suggested formula. When I type in =deg, the first suggested formula is =degree, which is the one that I want. If I press enter, Excel moves me to the next cell in the column instead of accepting the formula in the suggestion box. Also, if there is any way to change which suggestion is selected in the formula suggestion box from the keyboard, that also would be good to know. Thank you for the help.
Use Tab to accept and open the parentheses for functions. To change to another suggestion, use the up and down arrow keys.